friends, I hope all are doing good. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it is the part 2 of demonstration of basic tools in Adobe Illustrator. So in the last video, we had stopped till the scale tool. Let's continue with the width tool. So before getting into that, let's draw one shape or an object. So it will be very much easy to explain whatever the tools will do. Okay, let's go with the width tool. So as the name itself suggests, the width tool, it is used to determine the width or the path of the object that you are going to select. So the shortcut key will be shift plus W for the width tool. So there are many options that are provided over here. That is the width wrap tool, twirl tool, pucker tool, bloat tool, scallop tool, crystal tool, wrinkle tool. So these are some of the options that are provided over here, and the shortcut key for the warp tool is shift plus R. So using shift plus R, you can also access the warp tool. So these are some of the options that are provided in the basic tools of Adobe Illustrator. Let's jump to the next basic tool, that is the free transform tool. So in the free transform tool, there will be two options. They are free transform tool and the puppet warp tool. So the free transform tool, it will be used when we use the layers. When we are going to use the layers, so these tools will be used. Okay, next comes the shape builder tool. So shape builder tool, so this is mainly used in order to, suppose we have got 2 to 3 shapes together, and if you want to cut down those shapes, at that time we use the shape builder tool. So shape builder tool is mainly used to build the shapes. That is the main use of the shape builder tool. So there are other tools like a live paint bucket, a live paint, a selection tool. So the shortcut key for the shape builder tool is a shift plus M, and for the live paint bucket the shortcut key is K, and for the live paint selection tool the shortcut key is shift plus L. So next is the perspective grid tool. So this perspective grid tool is usually used to form the grids for the pages, for the page or for the layout that you are going to select. So this is the main use of the grid tool. The shortcut key for the grid tool is shift plus P. So next comes the perspective selection tool. Perspective selection tool also has got the same function of the grid tool. So the shortcut key for perspective selection tool is shift plus V. For the perspective grid tool, it is shift plus P, and for the perspective selection tool, it is shift plus V. Let's go for the next basic tool that is provided in Adobe Illustrator, that is the mesh tool. So mesh tool, it is used, as the name itself says, it is used to create the mesh for the objects. So that is the main aim of the mesh tool. By using the capital U, you can also create the mesh. Okay, next comes the gradient tool. The main aim of the gradient tool, or the main function of the gradient tool is nothing but in order to in order to fill the colors. That is the main aim of the grid tool. I'm sorry, the gradient tool. If you want to fill out the colors of your desired one, so you can select the shade over here. So here it is a white in color, where you can select the color of your choice. So the color will be changing, and you can also set the angle over here. So here you can set the angle, in which angle the shape has to be present in, and the opacity of the colors that you are going to select, and the location where it has to be placed. So these are the options that will be provided in the gradient tool. Now let's next go for the next tool, that is the eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool, it is used to fill the colors. Okay, let's take one shape, and we can use the eyedropper tool. So this eyedropper tool, you can select the colors over here. So from here you can select, see, if you select blue, it will be blue. If you select white, it will be white. If you select black, it will be black. So eyedropper tool, like whatever color you want to select uh, at the fast rate, or uh, if you're selecting one bunch of colors, and if you're keeping by using the eyedropper tool, you can directly access those colors. So let's go for the next tool, that is the blend tool. So blend tool, it is used to blend two objects. As the name itself suggests, it is used to blend. Okay, next tool is a symbol sprayer tool. So sprayer tool, so this is the tool that is used to spray the objects, like if you are having the any portraits or any digital arts. So by using this spray tool, you can spray the objects, or spray the the character or the art that you have created in a easy way, so that it will be more attractive. So next is the column graph tool, stack column graph tool, bar graph tool, stacked bar graph tool, line graph tool, area graph tool, scatter graph tool, pie graph tool, radar graph tool. Suppose these are the tools that will be used when plotting a graph. Suppose if you want to represent your pictorial representation in the form of a graph, in the form of a bar graph, line graph, or area graph, whatever you wished for, you can use these tools. Like you can take the bar, and you can mention over here whatever the width you want, or what the x-axis and y-axis that has to be present, in what a difference it has to be. So at the time you can use this tool. So we can go for the next tool, that is the artboard tool. So artboard tool, so this is the tool that will be used in order to edit your artboard. This is the artboard that you have selected. I have selected 19,080 into 1,800, and so such type of art, which is in terms of pixels. So yeah, I have selected 1920 pixel, and the height will be 1080 pixels. So by using this artboard tool, you can edit the artboard, where you can change the location of the artboard, you can rotate it, you can change the pixels, and so on. That is the main function of this. Okay, next comes the slice tool. Slice tool, it is used to slice the objects. As you see, when you use the slice tool, you will get these types where you can provide where you can slice the objects. And next comes the slice selection tool. Slice selection tool is mainly used to select the parts that you wanted to import these functions. That is the main aim of the slice selection tool. Next comes the hand tool. Hand tool, it is basically it acts like a mouse, where you can where, you can move the artboard wherever you want it to be, so you are compatible with. So that is the main aim of the art tool. So next is this zoom tool. Zoom tool, it is used to zoom in, or it is used to zoom out. So this is the main aim of the zoom tool. Okay, by using this hand tool, you can select wherever it wanted to be in. So this is the basic tools that is provided in the Adobe Illustrator. And last but not the least, so these are the colors that you wanted to fill in. So this will be the border, and this will be the color that will be inside of any object. So that is the stroke. It is also provided here. I have explained it before itself. So these are some of the tools that are provided in the Adobe Illustrator. So the explanation for each and every tool has been provided in part 1 as well as part 2 of the video. I hope all of you have understood the functions of each and every tool, basic tools that is provided in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you all liked the video and enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, which will be a great supportive to me. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I will be coming up with more interesting content. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Happy learning. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.